The Displayit frame is the perfect medium for advertising special events and programs or promoting interest and excitement for an upcoming sermon series. It looks like high-end framed artwork, but it's fabric in a frame. This full-color display is made of a stretchy fabric with silicone edging. When this graphic is no longer relevant or the message becomes stale, it can be easily replaced. Installing the new refill graphic takes only minutes. Start by removing the current graphic. A small, barely noticeable pull tab is located at the bottom of each graphic. The lightweight aluminum frame is very slim and only comes out of the wall about 3/4 of an inch. It's wall mounted, and the kit includes your drywall screws, anchors, L brackets, and all the instructions you need to assemble the frame. The frame comes in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. When replacing the graphics, always start by inserting the upper corners first. Then move to the lower corners. Then the middle of each side. Stretch it and tuck it. For even more ideas on how other ministries are using the Displayit frame, check out the photos on the Displayit at Church Facebook page and Pinterest page.